Great things are done by a series of small things brought together. For me, health is comprised of all the little things, the things that might seem like they're not making that much of a difference. In this video, I want to share simple ways that we can improve our health. These are things that I've incorporated into my life that have made a big difference. And if you enjoy content on healthy living, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Number one is stretching. Many of us spend the majority of our time sitting down, holding up a phone, slouching, looking down all the time, and whether we realize it or not, this creates a lot of tension in the body that leads to tight and stiff muscles. So something I've been incorporating more into my life is stretching. Usually I just set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes and I just move and stretch in whatever way feels best for me on that particular day. So I just tune into my body and breathe into the places that feel tight and stiff. Stretching is so beneficial for our health. It improves our flexibility, of course, but also our mobility and our posture. So I really enjoy doing this first thing in the morning, and I also like to include a stretching routine in the afternoon as well. It leaves me feeling renewed and refreshed every single time. Studies have shown that having houseplants can reduce stress, boost your mood, and also improve the quality of indoor air. I don't know about you guys, but seeing nature helps me feel more calm and more relaxed. So this is an example of an easy and effortless way of improving your health. Other than taking care of the plants, of course, there's not much more that you have to do and your health is being improved. Now, it's important to do your own research to see what kind of plants work best for each room. So just to give an example, there are certain plants that will release carbon dioxide at night, while others, like snake plants and succulents, will release oxygen. So those kind of plants would be more beneficial to have in a bedroom, for example. But overall, plants are a great way to enhance your mood and improve your health in general. Adding superfoods into your life is another really easy way to boost your overall health. They are nutrient powerhouses full of vitamins and minerals. So I'd like to thank the Reserve for sponsoring today's video. I've used many of their superfood powders in the past, and their matcha is one of my absolute favorites. So they are a brand that I trust. Their ingredients are of high quality. Typically, I do like to vary my superfood powders just to make sure I'm getting all kinds of different nutrients. But recently I've been using blue spirulina more consistently. This is extracted from the green spirulina algae, and if you've ever tried green spirulina, you know that it has amazing health benefits, but the taste and smell can be very fishy. And that's actually the biggest difference between blue spirulina and green spirulina. The taste and smell of blue spirulina is much more subtle. It's almost tasteless in my opinion, so it makes it much more versatile. Blue spirulina is known to improve digestion and memory. It helps lower cholesterol and boosts the immune system. And it also has a beautiful, vibrant blue color, which makes me happy just to see it. And I love to add this to my favorite blueberry smoothie bowl recipe, which I will have linked in the description box if you're interested. But 1/4 teaspoon is all you need. And I love that I'm getting all of the benefits of blue spirulina without it altering the taste of my smoothie. This is why I love superfood powders, because it's such an effortless way of kind of sneaking in those powerful nutrients into your meals. Maca is another superfood that I love to consume regularly. It's an adaptogen that's known to increase your energy levels, balance your mood, and fight stress. When I use this consistently, I do notice a huge difference in my energy levels, which is very important to me because I do exercise regularly, so it always gives me that extra boost that I need. The Reserve has a wide variety of superfood powders, and they gave me a coupon code for my subscribers. So you can use the coupon code IamVanessaE20 to get 20% off their products. I'll have a link to their website in the description box below. Using a tongue cleaner is one of those simple things that we can do to boost our health. It has many benefits, yet it can easily be overlooked. Tongue scraping is the practice of gently cleaning your tongue to remove toxins, food debris, and bacteria that's accumulated on the tongue. In Ayurveda, there's a very meaningful connection between the tongue and your gut health. If you're not cleaning your tongue, especially in the mornings, all of the bacteria that's been accumulating all night long will be absorbed back into your body. So cleaning your tongue is not only beneficial for your teeth and your gums, but for your overall health as well. In this day and age, it's becoming more and more challenging to truly connect with nature. We're spending the majority of our time indoors, but if we look back, it wasn't always this way. Our ancestors would walk barefoot, they would sleep on the ground, so they were in constant contact with the earth. And studies have shown that having that physical contact with the earth's electrons has many health benefits like better sleep, reduced stress, less inflammation, less pain, and it's as simple as taking off your shoes and standing on the grass, the soil, a lake, a beach, literally getting in contact with the surface of the earth for at least 30 minutes a day. Now, I know there can be a lot of skepticism around this, so I will have links that will provide more information in the description box below. But the truth is, whether there is enough science to back this up or not, in my experience, connecting with nature makes me feel better. Walking barefoot on the grass, gardening, breathing fresh air, letting the sun touch my skin, all of these things make me feel more nourished and just more happy. If you're looking for more ways to improve your health, I have more videos on healthy living, so I will have a playlist linked here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.